So let's take a quick look at the install so you see what's involved. The actual sprinkler buddy is a good flexible plastic. It's UV protected. It has a 7-inch diameter, and it has these markations, these demarcations, 1 inch, 1.5, 2 inch, that you'll need to cut up and along to the diameter of the sprinkler head you're going to fit this thing on. And that's important because if you cut it too large, then weeds will grow up against the sprinkler head. That just means you have to measure the diameter of your sprinkler head and make sure that you're cutting to the appropriate line. Not a big deal, easy to do. In my case, I'm trying to fit this to a 2-inch diameter sprinkler head, so I'm cutting to the 2-inch line as you see here. Next, you'll need to force this thing on from the bottom through those cuts and pull it all the way up to the collar. Now, a good snug fit is what you want, again, because that's going to prevent the grass from growing between the sprinkler buddy and your irrigation head. So that's what you're going for right there.